In the deadly city, birds are terrorizing people and stealing bread off giant trucks. This is Champ, the leader of the gang. And this is Jeff. They're currently robbing the bread truck. Only one can save them. The chosen one, aka Oscar the dog. Now they're enjoying the snack after they've robbed it. And the truck moves, terrorizing the Rainbow Lorikeets. It keeps moving. Oh no, the roof fell off the truck. Will this be the end for them? Now Oscar the dog is unleashed. He goes on the deck. And he's terrorizing the truck even more. No! They fly away because of Oscar. But there's more bread inside the truck. The hoodie's on the roof trying to get the bread. Jeff! You just saved